Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Virtual Max. Once the software loads, you will immediately notice the large viewport in the center, which is your primary workspace for viewing and interacting with three-dimensional models. To its left, the command panel offers essential tools for creation and modification, while the main toolbar across the top provides quick access to frequently used functions. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these distinct areas, as they form the foundation of your modeling workflow. Creating your first object is straightforward. Navigate to the Create tab in the command panel, then select a primitive such as a box or a sphere. Click and drag within the viewport to define its dimensions, releasing the mouse to finalize the shape. You can then use the Move, Rotate, and Scale tools found in the main toolbar to precisely position and transform your object. Experiment with these fundamental tools to build the basic structures of your scene. To give your objects visual appeal, the Material Editor is your next stop. Open it by pressing the M key or clicking its icon on the toolbar. Here, you can select a material slot, then choose a standard or physical material type. Adjust properties like color, reflectivity, and even add texture maps by dragging them from your asset browser onto the material. Finally, drag the material directly onto your chosen object in the scene to apply it instantly. Effective lighting dramatically enhances your scene's realism and mood. Access the Lights menu from the Create panel and choose from options like photometric or standard lights. Place omnidirectional lights for general illumination or a target spot for focused beams. Adjust key parameters such as intensity, color, and shadow properties within the Modify panel. Experiment with light placement and intensity to achieve compelling visual results, perhaps using one or two primary light sources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.